My name is Dr. Mara Kwaja. I'm a dentist, a positive psychologist, and the founder of MyNinja. MyNinja is a wellbeing startup that helps dental professionals live a happier, healthier life and thrive in any environment through coaching and wellbeing workshops as well as products. The Mind Flossing Toolkit gives you practical tools that you can apply both at work and at home and start building your muscles of resilience and well-being. The wellbeing activities range from journaling, meditations to creative exercises, and the cool thing is you can actually do this when you're with patients, in the moment when you're feeling really triggered, or you want to invite a sense of mindfulness or self-compassion at work, as well as of course in your personal life, in your relationships and at home. So some of the cards are really specific to dentistry and how we can practice self-compassion, mindfulness, or we notice certain kind of negative thoughts pop up, whether they be, I'm not good enough, or that crown prep was awful, all of these very kind of common and natural thoughts. What can we do to help soothe ourselves? I'm really excited to bring creative activities as well to the fold, and I feel that really can help boost our levels of well-being. You definitely don't need to be an artist here. It's just really about exploring and connecting with your emotions in a different way. And of course, I've got so many meditations, running from things like loving kindness meditation to meditations that you wouldn't have done before or even perhaps thought of as much. So whether you're an associate, a principal or an organisation, I invite you to grab a seat, pick up a card and start mind flossing. To find out more, visit myninja.co.uk.